Welcome to Therapy Facts with Dr. Jenn. Point number 8 about how to start therapy involves the idea that one episode of therapy may not address your full plate of concerns. And so it's okay to work on one set of concerns and then take a pause. Notice I said take a pause so that you can process and integrate what you learn in one season or what we call episode of therapy before moving on. So, just as it is quite usual to change therapists as needed, it is also quite usual to pause therapy after you have gotten through one particular problem or concern. So remember, I said in the previous series that when you know better, sometimes you want to do better. And doing better may require you to learn skills that are quite painful. And so engaging in that very painful process of, first of all, knowing better, right? Understanding and gaining clarity about our issues and concerns can be extremely painful. And then learning new skills in order to change our behavior and thought patterns in order to get out of that pain, to change patterns that will lead us away from the pain that we were experiencing, which is what brought us to therapy in the first place, can be painful too. And so any human being needs some respite from that process. And so you might find yourself working through something very important with one therapist and then taking a pause, taking a break, and then starting fresh with a new concern with a different therapist. Or the therapist that helped you learn your particular behaviors that allow you to do better, right? You may decide that time with that therapist has been enough, and you want to move to a different therapist who can help you to continue to practice and maintain that new set of behaviors. And so, again, this is something that you can discuss with your therapist while you're contemplating if you're at a point of pause or if you're at a point of transition. Because, again, your current therapist can help you make your way to your new therapist. So, just know that therapy itself does not have to be, it should be an ongoing process as needed, but it doesn't have to be a never ending process. I'll say that again. It can be an ongoing process, but it doesn't have to be never ending. It is okay to take a break to synthesize, practice, and gather yourself before you move on to your next concern.